Welcome to another episode of Western Roundup. In honor of Child Month, we showcase the initiatives of the government in safeguarding our children's health through the Jamaica Moves in Schools program in Hanover and Westmoreland. Then we head to St. Anne to see how the Jamaica 4-H Club is positively impacting students. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. The revitalized Jamaica Moves in School program in the Western region is more than just physical activity. It's a holistic approach to improving the health, concentration, and academic performance of students. And at Pell River Primary in Westmoreland and Sheffield Primary in Hanover, the program is making a remarkable difference. Spearheaded by the Western Regional Health Authority, the initiative entails 3 5-minute breaks, complemented by a designated water and fruit stay, along with an hour of physical activity divided into 4 25-minute slots per week.
It has been a tremendous success in that we're seeing where our children are more confident, they are more physically fit, they are also students who pay attention to their diets.
The physical engagement has significantly improved students' concentration during classes.
They concentrate better and they are more productive. At the end of the different activities, I realize that the children are so much more relaxed and so they progress to their classes very smoothly.
Similar sentiments are reflected by Pell River Primary Principal Shireen Clark.
Students are more alert, their academic performance are improving, and also they can concentrate better, and we have less hyperactivity to deal with in our institution.
While the transition to the program was not without its challenges, the students have embraced the opportunity to focus on their physical health while having fun.
When we first started the program, we faced a lot of mixed reaction with the students, especially for those who don't want to participate in physical activity or want to drink water.
Water helps with the blood circulation of the body and also maintains our brain, helps us to focus more and keeps us hydrated at all times.
Water helps you to keep hydrated and it helps your body, it cleans your system.
The daily activities do not take away from the regular school curriculum as they are both combined to yield greater academic and physical results.
If you go to Pell River, they would actually incorporate social studies or mathematics with physical activity and give them a game to play like Simon Says, and then Simon Says hop. When they hop, then they spell a word. Sheffield Primary, they would also use Simon Says or my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes, and like after every 30 seconds they would stop and ask a geographic question or ask a mathematical question, and then that would stimulate a greater metacognition.
From infant to high school, the remarkable talent of the 4-H Club students in St. Anne was on display at the club's Achievement Day in Brownstown. Held under the theme Youth in Agriculture Shaping the New Face of Food, this annual celebration recognizes the hard work and dedication of students across the parish who have made significant contributions to their local 4-H clubs. Fern Court High School student Akeem Tracy, who dominated in the 4-H public speaking competition, is grateful that his hard work paid off.
Staying back after school, a lot of hours in studying, reciting the speech, training with clubites, even my president prepping me for this day. I'm very excited that this is a very good accomplishment because it's the first time I'm doing this.
The 4-H Club does not only focus on youth agriculture, but more so producing well-rounded young people.
So at the parish level, we have to prepare these youngsters in agriculture, home economics, leadership development, environment education and climate change.
The Achievement Day parades students that have diligently worked throughout the academic year and were able to perform exceptionally well in the varying competitions. The day also serves as inspiration for other students to work harder.
So essentially today is like a recruitment. So when students see others achieving things like these in our culture, it boosts others to try this and try that. So a day like today, is just embracing our clubbites and just celebrating their achievements of what they've done over the past 3 months, 4 months with it while in the club.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send us your feedback to gismabay@gis.gov.gm. Until next time, take care.